Hello, my name is Daniel Francisco from Rodrigo Elias y Medrano Abogados in Lima, Peru, and I will be sharing some important insights today on digital nomads. There are some things that have stayed with us after COVID-19. One of them is the actual possibility of working on a remote basis from anywhere in the world. So let's imagine you're one of these global remote workers, or as we also know them, digital nomads. You're planning to come to Peru and you want to do remote work from here. What legal matters should you know about this possibility? Do you need a work permit? Do you have a digital nomad visa available in Peru? Well, actually, we don't have a digital nomad visa yet. There is a draft bill that was introduced in March of this year that proposes the creation of a digital nomad visa. The draft bill, however, is still pending to be discussed by the Congress. Until then, what are our options to stay and work legally in Peru without a connection with a Peruvian company or a Peruvian employer? The main option is the Mercosur visa, which allows you to reside and work in Peru. The potential applicants are citizens from most South American countries, such as Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Argentina, Chile, Uruguay, and Paraguay. The main requirements are to sign an application form, an affidavit, and to bring criminal records certified through a consular legalization or an apostille seal from the countries where the foreigner has resided in the last 5 years prior to their arrival. Once it is granted, the Mercosur visa allows you to reside for a term of 2 years. It is possible to renew the visa once for the same term or to change it for an indefinite residence. Whether you're under the scope of a Mercosur visa or not, there are some legal issues you should care about if you're planning to come to Peru as a digital nomad. To begin with, if you don't hold a Mercosur visa or the appropriate immigration status to work, you're exposed to be fined by the immigration office. The fine is 10% of one tax unit, which, as of 2023, it is around $140. Tax issues also matter because the activities performed by a digital nomad could be taxable. Factors like the tax home residence of the foreigner or the numbers of days that the foreigner stays in Peru care in the analysis of the tax matters. In a nutshell, sooner or later, the future will reach us. There is expectation in the business sector of Peru that the digital nomad visa will be discussed and approved by the Congress at some point. In the meantime, we have the Mercosur visa option, but also we are expecting that in the short term, an Andean community visa will be introduced. This visa will have similar characteristics as the Mercosur visa and will be available for citizens from Colombia, Bolivia, and Ecuador. If you would like more information about this, you can find my bio in the description below. Thanks for watching our Employment Matters blog. Remember to subscribe for current insights and updates on important global labor and employment topics presented by the Employment Law Alliance. Thank you.